Hey guys, G153 here. Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be playing some Assassin again. So competitive is ending tomorrow, and I have enough competitive points to get this new skeleton axe, I think it's called. So I'm pretty excited about that. But one thing is that I don't know how rare it is. So when I get it, I'm probably never gonna trade it. Probably because it's gonna be super rare. Probably never get it again. It's gonna be unobtainable. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep it. Right now, I'm going through servers, hoping that people will trade me, because I'm trying to trade like Holiday Blade, Doombringer, and maybe Emerald Knight for I don't know, maybe a Spring Saver or something. I don't know. I don't know the values for these anymore. Mr. Guy, he has the Azure bundle. I wonder what he'll trade me for my, Let's see. Probably not anything. Yeah, I didn't think so. C-Mac only has Lava Blade. I don't really want that, so I'm just not gonna accept that. I'm gonna use Fairy. Actually, I think I want to use Azure. Okay. There we go. So I'm gonna play some Assassin for a bit, and tomorrow I'll make a video on me just going on to Assassin for the first time today, and I'll have myself the new exotic. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. But I probably won't get it right yet. No. Well, I probably will. It'll probably be unobtainable after this. So, except for trading, so it'll probably be worth, I'd say, a possessed axe, maybe. I think it's gonna be worth a possessed axe. That's what I think it's gonna be worth. Yeah, no, I don't want that. So, yeah, I can't make it. I don't want to use my cow though. I'll have to wait. Because I'm gonna save some of the commons I like. Because I like cow, and I like Argentine. Oh. So the best ones, right? Oh, who's going after me? Oh, I have to go for this guy. So this is the last guy. I'm pretty sure he's probably a noob. Maybe he's just clueless. It's definitely a noob. Where are they? The only place I haven't looked yet was this one. I don't think he's in here. Where is he? So, where is this guy? So, I think he might be somewhere. Is he just hiding? I think he's hiding because he can't move. That's what most noobs do. Pretty sure if he's. Oh. That's what I thought. Since I have more kills, I'm just gonna dodge all of his shots right now. Since he's a hiding noob who went outside the map like a noob would do. Witcher. Because you can't win otherwise. Because you can't win otherwise. I'm not kidding. This guy is an exploiter. He can't win. The only way he can win is glitching through the map. So I'm actually going to reset right here. I'm going to go on other server without a glitch need. I'm just going to go on a computer server. I wish it would just give me the stuff now, because tomorrow's February 1st. I wish that would happen. But no, it has to wait. I would feel so happy if I was first on the leaderboard. Adam has 24,000. I want to see where No Data is. I'm pretty sure No Data has like 5,000. Yeah, he's 49th place. He hasn't moved that much since the beginning of competitive mode. Well, I thought that was No Data because he looks straight like him. Look at that guy. No Data's on leaderboard. He's gonna get Elegant Blade, but not Champion's Blade, which I think is it's okay. He's pretty high prestige, but he's not the highest prestige. So remember that for when you play. You won't always get what you want, but he's still really high level and he's getting an Elegant Blade, so that's pretty sweet. I think that means you're pretty good if you have an Elegant Blade. This guy's prestige 9 and he only has like 2 legendaries. Yeah, you guys can tell that I'm going through servers like nobody's business. Woo! Assassin Deathmatch server because I can. Okay. Somebody here is Screensaver or Holiday Saber. I'll try and trade them. I don't think anyone does though. Dab Master. What a beautiful mind for a beautiful person. Just kidding. That guy reached prestige 9 when I left the game. Sorry, not prestige 9. Prestige 3. I said 3 for a reason. Because I can pronounce my albums. The prototype. Is already got a Krampus. That's sad. And I can't blame the guy. Maybe if he was not AFK and he didn't know his values for this day, I would probably try and trade him. That Krampus will be easy. But sadly, he just left. And I think that was because he was AFK for 20 minutes and he got picked. So yeah. Join another deathmatch server. Let's see if anyone here has anything good. Ghost Moon. Bruh. What's that? Oh my gosh, this guy's probably in. He took my username. Ooh. Okay. Since I'm probably really good at this game. I kind of want that size, but I don't know if they would give me. I'm pretty sure that size isn't good. Pretty sure that size only with like 40 products. So, oh, this guy I think. Oh, so wait, he took my username. I don't know how much bat size is worth, but. Anger! So. Well, I know it's 1, 5. 8, 4, That's what I was trying to do. I like that. And I like that. But that. What? I like that. And flip toes. Flip toes. Perfect. I'm checking the values, guys. Don't worry. At least on the server. Oh my gosh. So let's use exotics. So crypto is worth 2 plus that's I think 6. Oh, guys. I keep that I want all of it. I don't know. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, I don't really want that. Music. Frost is music. Start. That Frost and music. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Bye.